Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix your account which has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So the very first thing to do is go ahead and take a look at your billing and trace. Just tap your settings and then tap your name. Afterward, tap media and purchases and tap view accounts. It is going to ask you for the password for Apple ID. Then all you have to do is go ahead and enter your Apple, and then afterward, then tap manage payments, and then you're going to see the billing address. Go ahead and tap in there. Please be sure to double check about all information which is in your billing address. Incorrect things can make problem happen. After checking it, just go ahead and check whether you're being able to solve your problem or not. If you're still having the same problem, try changing your Apple ID password. Now to change that, open your setting once again and simply go to your name and then tap password and security. Once you're here, tap change password, and then all you have to do is just go ahead and enter your iPhone passcode, and then you will have to put your password and then verify it, and afterward go ahead and tap change. After that, your password will be changed. You can go to the website called iforgotipple.com if you cannot change your password. If it doesn't still solve the problem, sign out and sign in to your Apple ID. After a while, just go ahead and just log in back. If you're still having the same problem, then the last thing all you want to do is just go ahead and open up your browser and simply type getsupport.apple.com and just try to communicate with them and tell them about your problem with your Apple ID, and hopefully they will give you the better solution and you'll be able to solve your problem right after that. I hope this video is really useful for you. If so, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!